Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've got a little unboxing for you guys from Beckett Simonon. I believe that's how you say the name. Let me know in the comments if I need to correct myself. But anyways, it's a pair of shoes, spoiler, that are super cute, super fun. So be sure, watch all the way through to see my thoughts, first impressions of this brand's shoes. But before I get into the full unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, I've got the box to start unboxing. And I would say I do have a pair of loafers from this brand and I absolutely love them. They are so classic, chic, elegant, and just really great quality. I also have a belt from them. I think I gotta like tilt this upside down. Huh, okay, that worked. Better than expected. So here is the box, and this is such a gorgeous box, by the way. I love this forest green. It's so pretty. And you have the name of the brand, Beckett Simonon. I'll go ahead, I guess, and just open it up. These shoes are so fun too, so I'm like actually really excited to see them in person. Oh, here they are, and all of their items are handcrafted, which I will say does add to the quality. Let me just butt in there. It's really nice quality. All handcrafted items, so beautiful. All ethically made, beautiful items, hand quality, handcrafted, and just gorgeous pieces. So I've got a little envelope in here to start out with. I believe this is probably like a receipt. Oh my gosh, handwritten note. That is so nice. You mean the world to us. Enjoy your shoes. Thank you for your support. That is so, I don't think you can see it. Oh, that is so cute. And she put her name on here. I just covered her name. I don't know, just privacy things. I don't want to share her name. But that is like the sweetest thing ever. And this is, oh, just the rest of this is little like care cards and such. So very sweet. Wow, feeling all special opening up this. We got some extra laces, if this gives any indication of what these shoes might be. Our dust bags, my favorite things ever. These are so nice, like thick dust bags. But anyways, let me just show you guys these shoes. These are so beautiful, so fun, and like, I'm so excited to wear these. So excited to wear these. Here they are. So these are some gorgeous metallic sneakers, and they're so pretty. They're so cool. Super cool. Super fun. This is the bottom of them look like. I don't know if people care about the bottom of the sneaker. It actually has a lot of fun like texture on the bottom. I'm sure that helps make it like a little bit grippier, a little bit better. And it looks like they do have shoelaces in them. So they have these metallic-y ones, and then I got a pair of extra white ones for it, but I feel like I probably just want to keep the metallic ones in there. This is super cool. I'll go ahead and take out some of this stuffing. Yeah, so we have full metallic shoelaces. Ah, these are so stinking cool. Okay, let me grab you the other ones so we can get a full look. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, so these are so stinking cool. Definitely going to be upping my shoe game in 2025. These are so fun, and I honestly love the idea of having just a fun, crazy pop with your shoes. I have so many just very like simple, plain outfits that are very like neutrals and all of that, and just throwing on a pop of fun with your shoes, I feel like is the best way to elevate your look. Even today, like what I'm wearing, like jeans, this top layered, these shoes, love. absolutely love. Like such a cool look. Yeah, I'm just so excited to wear these, so excited for them to literally elevate all of my looks, make me look so much cooler than I actually am. Yeah, these shoes are so pretty. So like I said, you have the full like metallic look. On the inside, it's pretty much just like a regular sneaker. It says Beckett Simonon on the inside. It's pretty soft. And the sneaker itself is quite structured, but there does have some give to it. Like I can already see that this is going to be more comfortable than maybe anticipated with this metallic. It does seem actually quite soft, so that's nice. I'll be sure to give you guys a little update as I wear these more, how I feel about the actual like wear and tear and how comfortable they are. But yeah, this is just such a gorgeous shoe. Like, this is so stinking cool. And like surprisingly not that branded. Like I'm actually quite surprised there isn't like big logos or anything. So it's very like minimalistic. If you're looking for that, like it's very simple, not like logo heavy, which is really nice. They do have these metallic styles in a couple different colors, so there's a few more options on their website if you want to check them out. I will be sure to link the website for you guys. This is just the silver metallic with the gum bottom. I really like this color combination because it felt the most neutral in the best way possible, or just like the easiest to pair with more of my neutrals. With this more like gummy like brown bottom, I thought that looked really nice with the silver and just really pulled it together for whatever reason, in my opinion. Go ahead and display them right here. So this is my quick little Beckett Simonon unboxing of their gorgeous, let's flip these around, gorgeous metallic shoes. Like I said, they do have a couple other colors and combinations on their website. Definitely go check them out. Again, link for you guys. Also, while you're down there in the comments, let me know what you think about these shoes. They are so fun, so cool. Like, let me know in the comments, would you ever wear such a fun, flashy pair of shoes? Or are you like, absolutely no, not my thing? If it's not your thing, they do have some regular sneaker options on their site as well as their loafer styles, which again, 10 out of 10. I do own a pair and they are very nice quality. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, quick little unboxing, first impressions, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, if you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.